Hi teacher, my name is Diana Paula Clavijo Hurtado of semester 3. Talking about pets. Okay. Hey, my name is Diana Clavijo. Today I want to talk to you about a story from the pets. Today I want to talk to you about a story from the pets. It's stories of a few years ago. A small family lived on the outskirts of the city. They were cold, working very hard day and night to be able to support their small family well. He starts saying, "What's happening to that family?" I answered to him, "The family that live in a beautiful big house, and they now realize that someone went in to hurt them. Until one day, their only daughter discovered in when she heard a loud knock on the door. It starts saying, "And what happened next?" I hungered to him. The hair wakes came, knowing that is was a kid that was walking through your garden. The girl's parents living so immersed in their world that they did not realize what was happening at home. Okay, over the weekend, the family decided to stay home and enjoy their family and the night home. But that night, the freak and concert of the family began. Since they heard strange knocks in the house. At the end of it all, the important thing is that they released the strange man who wanted to take over everything and hurt them. Okay, the family was now intimidated and went to the authors and relatives to seek help from everyone. The family living in tranquility since everything and had been solved. Okay, teacher, thank you. Bye.